How can you make the internet search private? On the iPhone, let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, in order to browse the internet, you need a web browser. So by default, we have the Safari available, which is great. And you can also download something from the App Store like Google Chrome, but it doesn't matter what you use because the principle is the same. Because if you want to make sure internet search is private, you just go to the search, you open up the web browser, and instead of using the regular tabs, you can go to the all tabs view and switch from the regular mode to the private mode. And this will make sure that you can start like a new private tab, and this makes sure that the history doesn't get saved. It makes sure that the autofill information doesn't get stored, or no suggestions will be made about the website. So it's a private layer. It just adds more privacy to the browsing. You should note that of course the website you are accessing still knows that you are doing so, but at least the data doesn't get stored on the phone, which is great for your privacy. Keep in mind, however, that you can still go to the settings, go to apps at the bottom and locate a Safari. And you can also check out the search history there and then delete it altogether, right? So even if you haven't been using that mode before, you still have the option to delete the search and like browsing history even later. So that is how it works. Of course, I mentioned briefly at the beginning that you might be using a different web browser like Google Chrome, for example, but the general principle is exactly the same, which just means that you make the very same stuff, go to the all tabs and just switch to the private mode, and that is how it's going to work. So let me know if you managed to set it up, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.